In this chapter, we're going to add a repeater. So there are two ways you can add a repeater. It's either you come here, select your shape layer first, then at the top right here, in the same bar where you have all the tools, you will see the add option right here. If you click from the drop down, you will see a repeater. That is the first method. The second way you can add the repeater is from the shape layer drop down here. Make sure you expand the options. You will see the add option right here. Click and then add the repeater. So expand the repeater options. We are going to keyframe the copies. Make sure your time indicator is on 0. Then create a keyframe for the copies. At this point, we're going to make the copies 0. Move to 1 second in time and then make the copies 6. Expand the transform repeater 1. On the X position, make it 110. That is 110. That will create an even space between the stars. If you hit the space bar to play this back, this is what you have currently. So now let's add a second repeater. From the add option, select a second repeater. Now if you look at the options you have here, you now have a repeater 1 and a repeater 2. Move your time indicator to 2 seconds forward in time, and then on the repeater 2, expand it, create a keyframe for the copies, then change the value to 1. Then you move to 4 seconds in time and make the copies 6. On the transform repeater 2, make X position to -10 and the Y position to 100. If you take a look at it, it's slanting a little bit, so you might need to adjust the X value to about this point. So feel free to adjust the value until you have them looking very straight like this on your preview window. So if you play this back right now, this is what we're gonna have. This is nice. Congratulations to us, because we just created our first motion graphics using repeater on the shape layer.